So after a number of very probably piss poor decisions, so I don't know if you can make that out, but right about there behind this truck you're starting to see him come through. That's Stuart. Well, we tried to go up this road, and in fact it is a sheet of ice, so that was a very bad idea. We're now leaving the Arctic Valley for very good reason. It's all ice! Neither of us are getting any traction. We both slipped down a massive hill. I almost rolled. He went into a ditch. So let's go find somewhere better to film. So, I don't know if you guys can see it. Just got done at Ulta Beauty. You know, getting my makeup on, the usual. But I came out here hoping to get pictures of the mountains and stuff. But, well, they got covered up. Everywhere I tried to park out here was full of cars. So, everyone would have been in the way. And that really didn't work. I had some other videos that I did with Project XCal. I'll drop a link in the description of videos I did with him. But I had a lot of plans for videos today, but they all kind of fell through. I was gonna do Christmas lights on the roof rack. I was gonna drive around playing Christmas music, see if I could get people in the Christmas cheer. But I'm gonna do a video on 5 things I don't like about this truck. Yes, there are things I don't like about this, as much as I love this. So, let's jump into those. First thing that I don't like, you can probably see it right here. No, not these, this. These are spacers. They go on top of the strut, shock, whatever you want to call it. They don't feel very good when you drive, especially how I like to drive. So, one of the things that I'd like to do over the next year, I'd like to swap these out to either a full long travel kit that would replace the lower and upper control arm, giving me a lot more travel, being able to do what I want to do. But more than likely what's going to happen is these are just going to get swapped out to a set of 2.5-inch king coilovers. Just a little better ride, a little bit of hot boy points, you know, the usual. Second thing, this company, Proline 4x4, I hate them. So, go into a little bit why I hate them. Took them way too long to build the rack. They got mad at me because I had a deadline, yada yada yada. On top of that, I'm still missing, as you can probably see back here, this is not a factory crossbar. That is, I'm missing 2. There should be one under here, and there should be one here. No bolts, but there's bolts. So, they refused to give me those crossbars. Well, they didn't refuse. They've just been ignoring me. They said they'd get them, and it's been over 6 months now. No response from them. Number 3. Headlights. So, yeah, they're dirty, but it's Alaska. You really don't get clean here. So, these headlights, they've been leaking now for 2 months, and finally blew out both low beams because they've been wet enough, I guess, and they blew out. But that is going to be upgraded soon. I really want to do a projector retrofit. That'd be a great video for you guys because there's not too many videos on that. So eventually I'd like to get a video like that done. So let me know if you guys want to see something like that. More than willing to do that. Number 4. Kind of an odd choice for number 4, but it's still a thing I'd like to swap. So these wheels I did myself. Yeah, paint's chipping off. Yes, I painted these. This was for all 5 wheels to be sandblasted, painted. Cost me $10 to do. Really didn't cost much, but I would really like to upgrade wheels. Number 5, the bumper. I don't hate the bumper. I don't like the bumper. Well, I guess that's kind of a lie. I do like the bumper, but there's things on it that are missing that I wish I had. One, this is the only entrance to get into the winch. It's kind of hard. As well as I can't put license plate bolts through these little holes unless I take the whole thing off. But that's not why I don't like it. My issue, recovery points. There are no D-ring slots on this bumper, meaning the last time I got stuck, we had to pull me out by my trailer hitch far enough to get these unburied, hook a tow strap to these, and then pull me up over a hill. So, this bumper, I have plans to swap this out hopefully soon. So, roof rack, bumper, suspension, wheels. We're getting there. Last thing, it's kind of odd. It's not technically part of the truck, but it's on the truck, so I'm gonna change it. It counts. The mattress. So, this is my Alucab Gen 3 Rooftop tent. I love this thing. The only thing that I kind of have a gripe about is this mattress. It is very stiff, and after 4 or 5 days of sleeping on this, your back really starts to hurt. There's some things coming in the works. So if you guys have any suggestions on what you'd like to see on this channel, anything, drop a comment below, let me know. If you guys could subscribe, that would be amazing. Thank you guys for watching. This is Keys to Adventure, signing out.